So in this exercise, we're going to go through what performing a simple change detection with differencing two different DEMs just using a raster calculator looks like. So I'm going to add the data that we have in our exercises folder under the CA Sulphur Creek. I have a DEM from 2005 and a DEM from 2006. Just to kind of drive home the point from previous exercises, I'm just going to check out some of the raster properties here. So we have a cell size of 0.5, so 50 centimeters. And let's look at the corner coordinates here. Looks like they're all 0.5 or 0.0. So this is dimensionally divisible raster. And we'll go ahead and just look at the other one as well. So yeah, indeed 0.5. For the cell size, and yep, it looks like both of those are all those are dimensionally divisible. So that's a good sign for when performing change detection. But for this real quick example, we're just going to open up the raster calculator, which is under Spatial Analyst Tools, Map Algebra, Raster Calculator. And I'm just going to subtract the old DEM from the new DEM. So I have, if I double click on the new DEM, push a minus sign, just like using a calculator. And that's my equation. So new DEM minus old DEM. I'm going to go ahead and give that an output location. I'm just going to call it simple DOD rastercalc.tiff. If I hit save and just click OK, then this is just going to perform on a cell by cell basis. It's going to subtract the cell in the old DEM from the cell in the new DEM, just on a cell by cell basis. So this is what we result in. And in order to better visualize this, I'm going to double click on this to access its layer properties. Go to Symbology, Classified, and I'm going to click this Open folder here. What I'm going to do, and again the Open folder here, I'm going to import some symbology for us to better view this what's going on here. So in this coloring scheme, blue represents deposition and red represents erosion. So I'm not going to get too much into what's going on here, but this would be how we would perform a change detection just with the raster calculator and without accounting for any uncertainty within a digital elevation model, just the raw values. In the later exercises, we'll get a bit more complex.